May I kindly request Dr. Sangeeta Shinal to please share your insights?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the invitation and very good evening to all of you. I'm very happy to see the progress of the CREST program so far and getting aligned with the India Semiconductor mission of the ministry. And also seeing that you are not only focusing on the research part but developing the skilled manpower in the domain as well. So it is very good to see because many of the verticals are actually getting aligned with ministry's mandate, and we hope that this verticals are actually more aligned towards that. Probably I can highlight few of them. You have already highlighted few supports from the ministry to the CREST, but I still feel there is so much scope, further scope for that. So you must be knowing that India, this we have a national supercomputing mission program from supported from the ministry side. So maybe CREST can actually have, or the BITS, all campuses can have a MOU with the CDEC globally, where all these tape out programs and everything can be considered by this NSM or under the C2S program. Because C2S program is also providing the tape out of the various modules there. So maybe CDEC can be a good partner for you, and signing MOU with them give you a more leverage over that. Instead of supporting only from internally, you can have a support from the C2S also under the National Supercomputing Mission. So that is one offer. If you wish, I can facilitate you. I can connect you with these two teams where you can sign some MOU with them. And the next is also probably you have already highlighted that you are working on this 2D CFP we have floated recently. So that is a very good opportunity to for being a partner with any of the agency nationally, identifying someone with whom you can come forward and submit a proposal. Because in that CFP we have a offering for hub establishment as well as a spoke model is also there. So it is up to the BITS to identify few experts who are actually volunteering for submitting a proposal as a hub or a spoke. If you need any clarification in that regard, I'm available. You can always contact me and find it out what model will be good for you. But that is a good thing I can see because you have good projects supported by BITS for 2D materials, developing some products based on that. And that can be your niche. As Dr. Sham said, that you have to identify your niche in that. So maybe you identify if 2D can be your expertise domain. The CREST can focus on the 2D materials. So that can be a good idea for proceed further. That is all from my side, but I hope this other proposal which you mentioned, that the consortia project between IIT Hyderabad, CMET, University of Hyderabad, that is in process. Hopefully that will also be materializing shortly. So we are working on it. There will be some review committee and we'll take it forward depending upon what all modifications are required, but we'll take it forward. It is good to see that your mandates are actually aligning with the ministry. So this is what is expected from all of you to getting aligned. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sangeeta. I think, Sir Goyal, we should take up on all these points and then do the stack work and align with that shift to systems program, the C2S program, even for the tape outs and other things. So let's take these things forward.
So recently, CDEC has started one offering to the all institutions where this undergraduate student or the even the PhD students can actually get a 2 months training at the CDEC. So this is a very good program. I'll share the details with you. If you wish, I can actually provide you that kind of a more connect there who will be supporting for that program for the National Supercomputing Mission.
Thank you, Dr. Simba. I'll work with you. I'll discuss with you separately.
Sure.
Thank you so very much to share all these important things.